Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah.
Now I know why you said it smells like burning rubber. So, 2 studs per
pitch.
2 studs per pitch. Cool. You've already
That's all.
drilled out all of them. That was the last few?
Yeah, it's pre-marked from BRP.
Oh, cool.
So you drill the pre-marked holes,
Right?
and BRP will still honor your tractor.
See, that's important stuff to know. Stud goes in from the back with the washer on it.
Yeah. No, the stud goes in from the back. Stud looks like this. It's got a big old
Okay. Yep, big flat head on it, so it doesn't pull through.
in the back. We'll put a few windows in, a few pitches in.
Yep. And then I'm assuming it's some type of a capsulated nylock type of a bolt there, so it doesn't shake loose.
And then you have your. Oh, these the backer. I don't know why, because they go on the front side.
It's not on the back, it's
not on
a
the back.
fronter. Okay, that obviously spreads the weight out. Yep.
Pinches your track together.
Okay.
Nuts. Start your nuts by hand.
Yep. Okay, and you can see here that BRP's got the pattern. They're not just all straight down, it's actually offset, right?
Yeah.
And that's obviously to help with traction. Yeah. Agreed. You're not putting the stud down in that same hole that you've run through, right?
Know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
Look at the backside. When you're trying to haul your stud to flush, you don't want to go more than flush.
Okay.
Or you're pulling it through the track.
Just tell me.
Okay, that's super cool. Now, how many more you got to do, Cody?
92.
92 total?
No, 96 total. I just did 4.
So you got 90, no, you got 6 on there. You got 90 left to do.
Tight yet. I got
Oh, okay, fair enough.
92 more to tighten.
Fair enough.
92 more to install and tighten.
So that's a bit of a job. It'll take you a while.
Takes about an hour and 3/4. I think we charge a little less than that.
Cool. Wow, that's cool, guys. That is some kind of cool.